Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your car door handle. First, gather all necessary tools like screwdrivers, a trim removal tool, and your new handle. Make sure you have the correct replacement part for your vehicle model. Working in a well-lit area will greatly improve visibility and safety throughout the process. This preparation ensures a smoother and more efficient replacement. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel. Begin by locating and removing any screws, often found near the armrest or door pull. Then, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry around the edges, releasing the clips. Be sure to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for power windows, before fully detaching the panel. Take your time to avoid damaging the trim. With the door panel off, you can now access the old door handle. Locate the rods or cables connected to the handle mechanism and carefully detach them. Next, unscrew the mounting bolts or fasteners that hold the existing handle in place. Once the old handle is removed, position your new handle and secure it with the bolts, ensuring all connections are firm and correct. This step is crucial for proper function. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect all electrical components to the door panel, then carefully align and reattach the panel, pressing firmly to engage the clips. Secure the panel with all the screws you removed earlier. Before closing the door completely, test the new handle's operation from both inside and outside to ensure it opens and closes smoothly. This confirms a successful replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.